Welcome to my channel. In the last class we did 3 problems. Mind it, 4 relations are very important: reflexive relation, symmetric relation, transitive relation and equivalence relation. Today we shall do some problems. Third problem, second one, a relation capital R in the set n of natural numbers defined as R equal to x comma y such that relation between x and y equal to x plus 5 and x less than 4. Relation defined on the set of all natural numbers x comma y such that relation between x and y, here y equal to the second element, y equal to x plus 5 and x less than 4. Here we have to verify relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So here given set capital N equal to set of all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so on. So clearly it is an infinite set. Relation defined on set N R equal to x comma y such that here relation between x and y, here first element here x, second element y means here second element here y equal to x plus 5 and x less than 4. Here relation defined on n means it is understood both x and y belongs to n here, where x and y belongs to n. Now I am taking relation between x and y equal to x plus 5. Mind it, here x is first element of the ordered pair, y is second element of the ordered pair. Relation between here x and y means y equal to x plus 5 means y is greater than x by 5. And next here x less than 4 means x belongs to natural number, x less than 4 natural number, x equal to 1, 2, 3, less than 4 not equal to 4, less than 4 means only 3 natural numbers 1, 2, 3. First we shall define relation elements and next to verify. What about it? Here put x equal to 1 I am taking. Here put x equal to 1, y equal to x equal to 1, 1 plus 5, 6. Next put x equal to 2, y equal to x equal to 2, 2 plus 5, 7. Next put x equal to 3. Here x equal to 3, y equal to 3 plus 5, 8. Only x values, only 3 values, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now write the relation. Therefore, relation equal to x comma y. This is x comma y. X value corresponding y value. X equal to 1, y equal to 6. X equal to 1, y equal to 6. Next, when x equal to 2, corresponding y value 7. When x equal to 3, corresponding y value 8. Relation contains only 3 elements. Bind it. Reflexive means we know that every element of set related to itself. Here given non-empty set capital N, it contains infinite number of natural numbers. Every element related to itself means it is reflexive. This means here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, so on up to infinite number of elements belongs to relation means we say that it is reflexive. Here no one element here belongs to relation. All infinite elements belongs to relation means we say that it is reflexive. Correct. Here 1 belongs to n. Here 1, 1 not belongs to relation. 2 belongs to n. 2, 2 not belongs to relation. 3 belongs to n. 3, 3 not belongs to relation. Therefore, it is not reflexive. The easy one I am writing. Since 1, 1 not belongs to R. Since 1, 1 not belongs to R, because here 1 belongs to A, 1 belongs to set n. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Easy one. Next, symmetric means AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R means relation is symmetric. Here AB you take any one element here, 1 comma 6 here. Clearly 1 comma 6 belongs to relation. What about 6 comma 1? Is it belongs to relation? 6 comma 1 not belongs to relation. Therefore R is not symmetric. Next, transitive. Transitive, third one. Transitive means, first definition observe, if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, your second element equal to your first element, then A comma C belongs to relation. A comma C belongs to relation means R is transitive. R is transitive. Suppose if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, your second element equal to your first element. Suppose A comma C not belongs to relation means we say that R is not transitive. Not transitive. Suppose if A comma B belongs to R and we don't have other ordered pair in which your first element here equal to your second element, we don't have other ordered pair. Suppose here C comma D I am taking. A comma B belongs to relation and C comma D belongs to relation, but here second element here B, here first element C, B is not equal to C means no need to verify this one. A comma C belongs to R or not, no need to verify. Then we say that clearly that ordered pair itself is a transitive, mind it. Itself is a transitive. In this case, mind it, your second element equal to first element, then your A comma here C belongs to relation means relation is transitive. Next here, second element equal to first element, A comma C does not belongs to relation means we say that R is not transitive. Here come to in this case, very important case here, A comma B belongs to R and C comma D belongs to R. Suppose here B is not equal to C. B is not equal to C means no need to verify whether A comma D belongs to relation or not. Therefore here we say that this element itself is a transitive. R is transitive. Very important. Here A comma B belongs to relation. We don't have second ordered pair in which that first element equal to your second element. We don't have other ordered pair here. Your first element equal to your second element means not equal means we say that this ordered pair itself is a transitive. Itself is a transitive. Very important thing. Two definitions money. First one, second one. These two cases R is transitive. Next, what about this? In which two ordered pairs mid elements are equal? First, we shall verify. Here, if we take these two ordered pairs, 6 is not equal to 2. Therefore, no need to verify here. This ordered pair itself is a transitive. Next, again, if you take these two, here 6 is not equal to 3. No need to verify A comma C belongs to relation or not. This ordered pair itself is a transitive. Suppose if you take these two, 7 is not equal to 3, then no need to verify 2 comma 8 belongs to relation or not. That ordered pair itself is a transitive. Mind it. This ordered pair itself is a transitive. This ordered pair itself is a transitive. If you take 3 comma 8 other one, here 3 comma 8 here, 3 comma 8. Suppose here 1 comma 6. Middle elements are not equal. Equal means no need to verify 3 comma 6 belongs to relation or not. If middle elements here B equal to B means for it is to be transitive, A comma C belongs to R. Suppose middle elements are not equal, C comma D, here B is not equal to C, no need to verify. This ordered pair itself is a transitive. Clearly, each ordered pair itself is a transitive because we don't have this type of ordered pair in this relation. Therefore, this relation is transitive. Mind it, very important one. Finally, we have to write like this. Since there are no two ordered pairs, such that A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Very important word, observe. Since there are no two ordered pairs such that A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, therefore it is transitive. We don't have this type of ordered pairs in this relation. In this relation means your second element equal to first element here. Your second element equal to first element. This type of ordered pairs not in relation. Therefore, it is transitive. It is transitive. But it very important one. So what about clearly? It is not reflexive, not symmetric, but it is transitive. It is transitive. Therefore, we say that yes, R is transitive. R is transitive, but neither reflexive nor symmetric. This means relation is transitive but not reflexive and not symmetric. Not reflexive, not symmetric means we write R is transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Easy problem mind it. Here given set and set upon natural numbers. Here R equal to x comma y such that relation between x and y, here y equal to x plus 5 means here y is greater than x by 5 and x less than 4. Mind it, here both x and y belongs to n here. This is understood. Both x and y belongs to set upon natural numbers. Here x is less than 4 means less than 4 natural numbers, only 3 natural numbers, 1, 2, 3. Now relation between here x and y, take y equal to x plus 5. Here find first relation elements, put x equal to 1 here. Put x equal to 1, y equal to 1 plus 5, 6. Next, put x equal to 2, x value 2, here x value 2 means y equal to 2 plus 5, 7. Next, x equal to 3, put x equal to 3, then y value x equal to 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Now write relation R equal to, here x equal to 1, corresponding y value 6, 1 comma 6. Put x equal to 2, corresponding y value 7, 2 comma 7. Put x equal to 3, corresponding y value 3 plus 5, 8 means 3 comma 8. Is it reflexive? When it is reflexive means every element of set related to itself. Here 1 belongs to A, 1 comma 1 belongs to R, 2 belongs to N, 2 comma 2 belongs to R, 3 belongs to N, 3 comma 3 belongs to N, so on up to infinite natural number means we say that it is reflexive. Or you can give simple one. Since 1 comma 1 not belongs to R. Or you can give 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 not belongs to R. You can give like this. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, so on not belongs to relation. Therefore, it is not reflexive. Easy one, you can give 1 comma 1 not belongs to R. Here 1 belongs to N. Therefore, it is not reflexive. Next, second one, here symmetric. 1 comma 6 belongs to R, but 6 comma 1 doesn't belongs to R. Symmetric means AB belongs to R, BA belongs to R means it is symmetric. Here 1 6 belongs to R, 6 1 not belongs to R. Therefore, it is not symmetric. Next, we don't have this type of ordered pairs in the relation means here second element in the first ordered pair is equal to first element in the second ordered pair. This type of ordered pairs not in relation. Not in relation means it is transitive. It is transitive. Mind it. Only A comma B belongs to R means we don't have second. Suppose second ordered pair in which your first element equal to this. Suppose is C comma D means here C is not equal to B, not equal to B means this element itself is a transitive. When it is not transitive means in this case not transitive. Here second element equal to first element. A comma C does not belongs to relation means it is not transitive. But here we don't have second ordered pair in which first element equal to your second element. Second element, therefore it is transitive. You have to write statement like this. Since there are no two ordered pairs such that means this type of ordered pairs are not in relation, therefore it is transitive. Therefore clearly this relation is transitive but not reflexive and not symmetric. We write yes, R is transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Go to next one. Third problem, third one. Relation R in the set capital A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 defined as R equal to x comma y such that relation between x and y is divisible by x. Here we have to verify this relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. This relation defined on set A here. Given set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A relation defined R equal to x comma y such that this is x is first element of the ordered pair, y is second element of the ordered pair. What is the relation between first and second element of the ordered pair means here y is divisible by x. Here y is divisible by x means here y equal to what? Which number of the ordered pair? Second element. Here x is first element means here relation between first and second element means here second element is divisible by first element. Very important. Or you can write like this. X divides y, both are same. X divides y or y is divisible by x, both are same. X divides y is divisible by x, both are same. Here I am doing direct method. Mind it. We can do this method also. Mind it. In these relations, be careful to listen here because some problems we can find relations. In some problems we cannot write relation because that may contains infinite number of relations like that. So mind it. Here I am doing alternative method. First one reflexive I am taking directly. A relation defined on set A. This means both x and y belongs to set A. That is understood. Here x belongs to set A, y belongs to set A. Means when we say that relation is reflexive means every element related to itself. Here every element related to itself. Means here first element x means second element is also x. Correct. Here what is the relation between first and second element means second element is divisible by first element. Correct. For reflexive, same element related to itself. Reflexive means here. Here clearly x is divisible by x. X ones are how many times means x ones are one time. Every number divisible by its other than 0 because 0 by 0 is not defined. Here given set contains non-zero numbers. Therefore here every number divisible by itself. Means for it should be reflexive here. 1 belongs to set A. 1, 1 belongs to relation. 2 belongs to set A, 2, 2 belongs to relation, 3 belongs to set A, 3, 3 belongs to relation, 4 belongs to set A, 4, 4 belongs to relation, 5 belongs to set A, 5, 5 belongs to relation, 6 belongs to set A, 6 comma 6 belongs to relation. Correct, because here second element 1 is divisible by 1. Yes, second element 2 is divisible by 2 itself. 3 is divisible by 3 itself. 4 is divisible by 4 itself. Instead of writing these 6 elements, I am taking like this x comma x. Means here we know that every number x is divisible by x itself. Therefore, here x comma x here. X comma x belongs to relation for every element x belongs to set A. X belongs to set A. Mind it. Instead of I am writing this, we can write this also correct one. We can write since 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 belongs to relation as these elements belongs to given set A, therefore it is reflexive. Or alternatively, we know that every number is divisible by itself. Since x is divisible by x itself, therefore x comma x here, x comma x belongs to relation for every here x belongs to set A. This means this ordered pair satisfies every element in the set. Means when x equal to 1 here, for every x belongs to set A means here x equal to 1, this x equal to 1, here 1 comma 1 belongs to relation. 1 comma 1 belongs to relation. Correct, because here 1 is divisible by 1 itself. Next, x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means 2 comma 2 belongs to relation. Next, x equal to 3 means 3 comma 3 belongs to relation. X equal to 6 means 6 comma 6 belongs to relation. Here every element of the set related to itself. Therefore, it is reflexive. Instead of writing these 6 elements, we can write like this. X comma x, first and second elements are equal. Reflexive means every element related to itself, not related to other element. Here first element x means second element is also x. X comma x belongs to relation for each x belongs to A. For every element of x belongs to A. Here x equal to 1, 1 comma 1 belongs to relation, like that. The following x equal to 2, 2 comma 2 belongs to relation. X equal to 3, 3 comma 3 belongs to relation. Therefore, it is reflexive. So, every number is divisible by itself. Therefore, x comma x here. Observe, this is second element of the ordered pair. This first element means here. Second element first. This is second element, first element. First element is also x. Second element is also x. X is related to x. Therefore, a relation is reflexive. So next, for symmetric, I am taking one element here. Easy one. 1 comma 2 belongs to relation. Why I am taking this? It belongs to relation because this element satisfies this condition here. What is the condition? Means y is divisible by x. Here y means second element here. Here second element this is. Y is second element. Clearly here 2 is divisible by 1. 1 2s are 2. Clearly 2 is divisible by 1. 2 is divisible by 1. Next, what about for it should be symmetric? 2 comma 1 belongs to relation means it is symmetric. When it belongs to relation means here second element here. 1 is divisible by 2 means 1 is divisible by 2 means it belongs to relation. But 1 is not divisible by 2. 1 is not divisible by 2. But 2 is divisible by 1. 1 2s are 2. Therefore here 1 is not divisible by 2. 2 means, so this is observe here. This is second element, first element of the ordered pair. Second element, this is second element of the ordered pair. This is first element of the ordered pair. Here is the first element of the ordered pair 2. Second element of the ordered pair 1. 2 comma 1 doesn't belongs to relation. Therefore R is not symmetric. Now take 1 comma 2 or 1 comma 3, you take any one. 1 comma 3 like that. It belongs to relation. why it belongs to relation means your second element of the ordered pair relation is second element your y is divisible by first element x. Y is divisible by x. Your second element 2 is divisible by first element 1, but 1 is not divisible by 2. 1 is not divisible by 2 means this is clearly second element of the ordered pair 1. Here 2 is first element. Not divisible, but the relation is divisible. Therefore, here this is first element of the ordered pair. Mind it. This is first element, second element. First element here 2, first element of the ordered pair. Here 1 is second element of the ordered pair. Not divisible means 2, 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Here, please don't take x, y, because mind it. In which case this relation satisfies. Means we have to show that particular example. We have to take and we have to give example. Simply if you take x, y belongs to R, y, x doesn't belong to R means it is not symmetric. You cannot write because in some cases it may be 2. Here for example 1, 1. 1, 1 belongs to relation A, B, B, A. In this case it is symmetric. Okay. Here 1 is divisible by 1, 1 is divisible by 1. Therefore in this case okay. If every element of the relation satisfies that symmetric condition means we say that it is symmetric, otherwise not. If any one element not satisfies. Simple example I am giving here. If you take Kannada, English, some subjects, yes, X, Y, Z, P subjects. Here Kannada subject pass, English pass, X 5, Y pass, Z pass, P subject pass. What about total result? Here X subject fail. Kannada pass means we cannot say that it's a result pass, because result pass. If all these subjects are passed means we say that result will be promoted. Here one subject fail, X subject fail. This is X subject fail here. X subject fail means what about result will be depromoted. Result means fail. We cannot say sir Kannada pass. Therefore result, total result pass. All these subjects are passed means we say that result will be promoted. But here this X subject is failed. Therefore result what about means depromoted. Therefore result fail. Why result fail? Which subject is failed? This we have to show. Which subject fail means X subject is failed. X subject failed. X subject has failed. Therefore result failed. Here also same. Total here every element of the symmetric means every element of the relation satisfies that symmetric condition means we say that it is symmetric. Here in this case symmetric, here symmetric, but in this case not symmetric. Not symmetric means what about total result of symmetric? Total result of symmetric fail, because here this element means not belongs to relation. Fail. Therefore total result fail. Here also in this case here fail. Therefore total result fail. So next. Third one, C. General example I am taking. Here transitive means we know that A, B belongs to relation and B, C belongs to relation. Here middle elements are equal. Observe here. Here second element equal to first element. Then A, C. Then A, C belongs to relation means we say that relation is transitive. Relation is transitive. Here for example if you take some elements I am taking here 1, 2 I am taking 1, 2 and 2, 4 belongs to relation. Here 2, 4 belongs to set here, 2 belongs to set here, 1 belongs to set here. Here observe here, here middle elements are equal here. Correct. Here these middle elements are equal. Here 1, 2 belongs to relation means here. What is the relation between here first and second element? Second element is divisible by first element. 1, 2 belongs to relation means here second element, this is second element is divisible by 1. Correct. 1, 2 is 2. This is 2 is divisible by 1. And what is the relation between 2 and 4 here? Second element 4. 4 is divisible by 2. Clearly 2 2s are 4. Therefore, this 4 is divisible by 2. Correct. For it is to be transitive, 1 comma 4 belongs to R. What about here? 1 comma 4 means, is it 4 divisible by 1? Yes, clearly 4 is divisible by 1. 4 is divisible by 1. Second element here, 4 is divisible by 1. Therefore, 1 comma 4 belongs to relation. Therefore, it is transitive. You take any element, a clearly transitive condition satisfies. While proving it may be reflexive, symmetric or transitive, we have to take elements, because every element satisfies, every element of the relation satisfies that transitive condition. Therefore, we have to take elements. For not proving, I give an example. Just we give a means we have to show which subject is failed. Which subject failed means which element not belongs to relation. We have to show that and prove that it is not symmetric like that. Here I am proving clearly it is transitive because every element here, every element of the relation satisfies. Therefore, here I am taking elements, 3 elements. Instead of ABC, I am taking X, Y, Z. Because here given relation in terms of X and Y, I am taking X, Y and Z. Let I am taking like this. Let X comma Y belongs to relation, and next here Y means again you take Y. Y comma Z belongs to relation. Here X comma Y belongs to relation means your relation is second element here. Y is divisible by X. Here second element is Y. Y is divisible by X, and Y comma Z belongs to relation means clearly that element satisfies this condition. Here second element Z. Z is divisible by Y. Z is divisible by Y. Second element is divisible by first element. Z is divisible by Y. Then what is the relation between X and Z? Last example, I given one example. Clearly, here Z is divisible by X. Second, Z is divisible by X, obviously. Therefore, some belongs to relation. Here, which is first element, second element? Don't get confusion. You see here, this is second element of the ordered pair. Y is second element. Here, X is first element of the ordered pair. This is second element of the ordered pair. This side is first element of the ordered pair. First element X, comma, second element is Z. X, comma, Z belongs to relation. Therefore, R is transitive. R is transitive. So, clearly mind it. Here middle elements are equal. Y equal to Y. Then X comma Z belongs to relation. Therefore, relation is transitive. So clearly it is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Mind it. Be careful. Here I am proving it is a reflexive means better you can take elements. Or alternatively, we can here we have to write 6 elements. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, so on. 6 comma 6 belongs to relation. Mind it. Instead of directly we can write like this. We know that here X is divisible by X itself. Every number is divisible by itself. Every number is divisible by itself. X is divisible by itself. Therefore, here X comma your first element, X comma X. The first element of the ordered pair X. Second element is also X for reflexive. X comma X belongs to R. For every X belongs to set A. For every X belongs to set A. Each element of set A means every element related to itself. Therefore, it is reflexive. While proving it is reflexive, I am taking elements. Or we can take all 6 elements. But not proving, not symmetric here. We take one element 1 comma 2. Or you can take 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. You can take 1 comma 6. Like that. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Belongs to R means it satisfies relation condition. Second element here. Second element 2. 2 is divisible by first element 1. But reverse. 1 is not divisible by 2. 1 is not divisible by 2. 2 starting from 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 like that. But not 1 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, your first element of the ordered pair this is 2 comma second element 1. 2 comma 1 not belongs to R. Therefore, it is not symmetric. So clearly it is transitive. Let us take 3 elements x, y, z. Let us take x, y belongs to R definition. A comma B belongs to R like this. A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. X comma Y belongs to relation and Y comma Z belongs to relation. In these ordered pairs, middle elements are equal. Just write definition. Here x comma Y belongs to relation means relation between x and y. Second element here, y is divisible by x. This is here also. X comma y belongs to relation means here second element is y. Y is divisible by first element x and y comma z belongs to relation means here second element z. Z is divisible by first element y. Obviously, take any example, verify. Obviously, this z is divisible by x. Obviously, then z is divisible by x. Clearly, this is second element of the ordered pair. This is second element. This first element of the ordered pair. Second element, first element of the ordered pair. Ordered pair, first element. This is x comma second element z. X comma z belongs to. Therefore, it is transitive. Mind it. Here, for proving it is reflexive and symmetric transitive, I am taking elements here x, y, here x like that. Not proving means take particular element in the relation, prove that it is not. Very important. Thank you.